spotted our plant. I'm sitting outside at the school here in a glorious sunshine, just on the junior yard on the picnic bench. I've walked around the school and look what I found. I found some fantastic pictures from year 4. Have a look at some of these. What I noticed is how full of colour they are, and we've got such beautiful weather at the minute. I thought perhaps you could at home look around your house and outside your windows or gardens and have a look at the colours that we've got around us, because with this weather things are really looking pretty and clean. So have a look at them. Have a look at the colours. Look at the colours and hear the colours in this book I'm going to read. It's a book for young children, but I'd like you to do what it says in the poems. First poem, I like colours. I like blue, I like the sky, where birds fly high. And the sky is blue, and very carefully I can see some birds flying. You may not be able to see them, but I can see them. I like yellow. I like the sun, where you can have fun. Well, I know you may be at home and sometimes it may be a bit boring, but the sun is there behind me. It's a bit bright, but it's there. Don't look into it too much because it'll damage your eyes. Green. I like green. I like frogs, as still as logs. Well, there are no frogs here, but there's lots of green, and you may have a green outside your house. You may have a green garden, a green lawn. You may have green that you can see from your window or your flat window. Have a look at the colours. Now, I'm going to go on to red. Now, red isn't a colour that you'll see in the landscape, but you may spot red around your house or around your home. My favourite colour is red. Red like a letterbox. I've got red shirts and shoes. I've got red shorts and socks. And when I run around or when I shout and yell, my best friend laughs and says, my face is red as well. Have a look at things that are red around your house or around your garden, like a letterbox. How many other colours can you see where you live? Think about the colours. Think about where they are. Think about how colourful and pretty the world is. Have a think. Think carefully. Have a look outside your window. Go into your garden if you can. Spot the colours. Spot where they are. Describe what you're seeing. Have a look at any flowers, daisies, things that are popping up here and around because it's springtime. It's life. Lots of things that we're starting to notice a bit more now we're stuck inside or we're in our gardens. We're starting to think a bit more and look at what's around us, even getting a bit bored. So if you're getting a little bit bored, start looking things a little bit more closely. Just look at things, think. Where's it come from? How did it get to you? What colour is it? Because the world is full of colours. Colour is everywhere. So have a look, stop, start using your eyes and start picking those colours out. How many shades of blue? How many shades of green? How many shades of red? How many shades of orange? Perhaps you'll spot a colour that we haven't even got a word to. So have a think, close your eyes. What colour are behind your eyelids? Just have a look, eyes shut, because actually if you look close enough, There are even colours when you've got your eyes shut. And when you open your eyes, the world is bright with even more colours. So have a think. Enjoy what you see around you. And then shut your eyes and take your mind to another place where perhaps you can enjoy, even the beach. That's enough from me now today for this morning's assembly. Look around you, spot the colours. Take care everyone, and somebody else, perhaps Mr. Richards or myself, will do another assembly on Thursday morning. Bye!